Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're going to be looking at Aimeili gel polishes today. So this is a 6-piece set. As you can see on the front of the box, these are also HEMA free, HPMA free and TPO free. So a really good formula, great for people who suffer from any allergies when using nail products. These gels are going to be ideal for you. So inside the box looks like this. We've also got the instruction manual inside as well. Really nice detailed instruction manual. Comes in different languages as well, which is really helpful. On the back of the box, it shows that these are Pearly Aimeili gels. You've got your instructions on the back, and you've also got a removal instructions on the back as well. Really handy. Shows you how to pop your hands in the lamp and how to do your thumbs separately. You've got Aimeili's contact details there as well, if anyone needs those. So these are the 6 colours. So these are actually no wipe top coats. They're not actually gel polishes. This one is BKT005. So they are like pearly colours. I'm trying to show you on the label. It is like white and then pink on the other half. Let's have a look at the colour of that. That is so pretty. It's like a purple with a golden shift. So pretty. Let's have a quick look at this one. So this one is BKT011. Beautiful yellow. Look at that. Proper sunshine yellow, isn't it? Love it. So I have already swatched the first 5 off camera. And I've swatched them over a white and a black, just so you can see the difference. So we've got BKT005, BKT008, 009, 010 and 011. They're really pretty, aren't they? They're not much different over a black, but over a white they're well pretty. So I thought what I'll do is I'll swatch BKT012 with you guys, just so you can see the consistency, see what they apply like and all that good stuff. So this is 012. Look at that. Well, pretty colour. It's like a kind of like a gunmetal grey, but with a gold shift to it. Gold pearlescent finish. Oh, it's so pretty. So like I said earlier, guys, these are actually a top coat. They're not actually a gel polish, so they cure without a tacky layer. You haven't got a top coat over the top of them. Once they're cured, you can apply the colour and you're ready to go. Obviously, you apply them over different base colours and you're going to get a different colour or different effect every time. So that's what they look like over a white and a black. So smart. It's like a really like lilac sort of colour. Lilac-y sort of grey colour over the white, and then a golden colour over the black. So let me just show you here a little bit better. So that's fully cured. So they cure within 1 minute, but I'm just showing you they've got no tacky layer. Look, completely cured, ready to go. They're super glossy as well. I like that. They're well smart, aren't they? So that was BKT012. So I want to do a design with you today. I have already started 3 of the nails off camera just to save a little bit of time. So I've painted the nails white, and then I've gone in with a black gel paint and I'm painting black hearts just dotted about all over the nails. So I just wanted to show you me doing this one. Because I'm not using a black and a white from Aimeili, I'm using a different brand because I haven't got Aimeili's black or white. So I'm not going to show you the products that I'm using because this is an Aimeili video, obviously. So yeah, we're just using a dotting tool, and you add 2 dots on the nail for the top of the heart, and then bringing them down to meet in the middle, and that just forms the bottom of the heart. Really easy to do hearts are with a dotting tool. You can also do the dots of the top of the heart with your dotting tool and then use a brush to join the two. But I just find it easy enough to do it all with my dotting tool, to be honest. Really easy. So once I've painted the hearts, I'm then going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So now they're all fully cured, I'm going to go in with the BKT012. And we're just going to apply that to the whole of the nail, so over the white background and the black hearts. And that's going to give us 2 different colours. How cool is that? I just think it's a really cool way of how to use these. And remember as well, guys, these are a top coat. They're not a gel polish. So I'm not going to even have to top coat over these either. Literally apply the colour over the black hearts and the white background. And cure it. And they're all finished. So we're now going to use a BKT011, which is the yellow. So I'm just going to alternate the colours. I'm only going to use 4, obviously, out of the 6. So I'll pop a little bit of music on while I do the other 2. Give them a cure, and then we'll come back in and take a look at them all finished. And that is what they look like all finished, guys. So like I said, I didn't need to top coat over these. The minute they're cured, they're ready to go. They cure without a tacky layer. They're super glossy. Look how glossy they are as well. They were really, really nice to use. I do wish I'd done my hearts a little bit neater and maybe done the same on every nail. Like, place the hearts on the same on every nail. I'm not too keen on how dotted about them hearts are. But they're alright. They're not too bad. But them gels are really, really pretty, aren't they? Especially over a white. And they're going to look different again over other background colours, over a red, maybe over a blue. Again, you're going to get a different effect. I am going to leave the link for these guys in my description box below. So if anyone is interested in them, all you've got to do is click the link and it will take you straight to them. You can also save yourself some money off as well, because I have got a discount code for the Aimeili website, which is a 10% off discount code which you guys can use. I'll make sure I pin that in the comments along with a link to the Aimeili website. I just want to say a huge thank you to Aimeili for sending these over for us to take a look at. Thank you so much, Aimeili. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.